Hello people! Today I received a very big package and we're gonna see what we got inside. Came from UPS, as you can see. Aha! The Super V7. Oh, looks good. Okay, see what else we got. We got the V6. Looks good too. And the V5. Ah, it seems to go very good. Yeah, for a brand new cube, it turns well. Okay, here's a V5 box. So we got all the cubes you wanted. Take out this box and let's check them out. Okay, so the cubes I ordered were the V5, 6 and 7, and I ordered them black. So I'm very happy. That's what I ordered. Stickers look good, everything looks good. Let's go see the 6 now. Oh, they have this new plastic. Usually they have like a saran wrap, but now it's a hard plastic, so it keeps the box a little better. Oh, it turns differently. Oh, and that reminds me a little bit of the Rubik's Cube 5x5. Not too, it snaps a lot, but it kind of gets stuck sometimes. Not now, but let's say I do that. Oh, it's okay, but you feel like you gotta watch yourself because you may lose a corner or middle and you don't really want to try to replace it. It seems like a different system. Yeah, you can see in the middle, well, you can't see it, but I can see it. The stickers are perfect. I'm not too sure about the movement of the cube. That's not too bad. Let's go check out the 7x7, the one I was wondering about. Same plastic. Oh, much better. Yeah, whoops. It turns very good, but I just noticed something. There's a sticker missing there. This one's a little ripped, this one too. Orange is okay, white is okay. Ooh, green 2 stickers are scratched, yellow's okay. So, blue side, a little scratch and 1 missing, and green 2 scratch. Otherwise, it's perfect. It turns very smooth, much smoother than the 6x6. Yeah, it's very good. You gotta align them because it's not aligned, they're not gonna move. Well, you can even slice it a little bit. That's good. Well, it turns very well. Very impressed with the turning. But the stickers could be a little better. Well, 4 sides are okay. It's just, and as you can see, when you put them like that, the white stickers are not really straight. But you can fix that, so it's not too bad. And the important thing is it moves very, very well. I didn't think it moved that good. Very well. Alright, that's it for the unboxing of my Super Cubes. Let's try to make a checker with this one. It's very strange. It's okay, but it snaps funny. I'm not sure about finger tricks with this one. No. No. It's gonna fall apart. Well, it's not too bad. It's 3 different technology. It's 3 different way of. It's 3 different technology. I'm almost sure. Very impressed with the 5x5 and the 7x7. 6x6 looks good, but it turns funny. All right. Good night.